Hello dear friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance is required light in your 2023 Toyota vehicles. I'm particularly sitting in 2023 Toyota Corolla Hatchback, so let's see how you can reset it. Now in this video that I'm showing you, you will not see that reset option because this vehicle doesn't require reset. That reset option will only be visible if your vehicle requires a maintenance. So you can do this only after you have done the maintenance. So let's say your vehicle is required maintenance, you will see that light. Now you want to get rid of that light. How to do that? Here in your place, click back, and as I'm doing this, I'm playing with these buttons. Please look at the cluster gauge. Okay, you click on this and you have several options. For example, your tire pressure, your echo, your music options, and then you come here and you see click on the setting options. Okay, on the setting options, click right button until you see the option that says vehicle setting. You will see a vehicle and you will see your Toyota vehicle setting options. Click on OK, and once you click on OK, it will show you several options there. Let me clear my screen here so you can see it better. Okay, you click on OK, and when you push it, hold it for like 2 seconds or so, and then here you will see several options like driver brake suggestion, the RCC, TPWS settings, and so on. But since my vehicle doesn't require maintenance, that's why I don't have that option here to reset it. But on your vehicle, after you have done the required maintenance, you will see the light there. Then come back and do these options. Again, this is very simple, friends. Click on back and you see, look on the left side, you see different options. Scroll down until you see the setting option right here, and from the setting options you have lots of other good options here that you can play with, and then go until you see the vehicle setting, this one. It will show you your Toyota vehicle and the setting option, and then click on OK and hold it until you see the screen changing, and then go up and down until you see reset the required maintenance reset warning light option. Okay friends, this is how you reset your maintenance required light. Have a great day. God bless you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.